This video will show you how to fix Discord won't install error on Windows. Start by terminating all instances of Discord, including browser versions. Open up the Task Manager by right-clicking the taskbar or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-Escape. Press D on your keyboard to skip to the next program that begins with that letter. Whenever you find a Discord process, end the task. Open the Run application via the Start menu or Windows R shortcut. Type in %appdata% without any spaces, then hit Enter. A new File Explorer window will open. Open Run again and type local after the first percentage sign, then hit Enter again. A second window will appear. Locate and delete the Discord folders in both File Explorers. Restart your computer. Now you can re-download Discord and try again. A link will be provided below. If issues persist, then open Run and enter %localappdata%. Open the Discord folder, then the newest version folder. Find the Discord application and right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. An alternative fix may be a fresh uninstall of Discord. A guide will be linked in the description. If you found this video helpful, then be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips.